Would you like to know my highlights of Gardener's World Autumn Fair?
This show is packed full of ideas and inspiration.
You get so many good ideas.
We're going into the end of August. Sometimes your garden dies back a bit, but then you see all the range of flowers that will still flower through the next couple of months, really.
Especially the show gardens. So it just gives me a little bit of inspiration, like what to do in my garden.
Gardener's World Autumn has got an amazing array of pocket gardens. You can get some really brilliant garden design inspiration.
There's a huge variety of plants here available, and you can walk around the stands, explore.
We bought a Szechuan pepper, which we've been after for a long while, and he's got some amazing and very unusual plants.
It's perfect because there's stalls everywhere that you can look at.
We've taken some pictures of things we want to buy, haven't we? Because we want to buy loads of nice flowers.
Yeah, it's great to see so many different vendors. Jazz up your garden, there's plenty out there that the show currently offers.
Also some of the tastiest street food, all available here at the show.
Bought some natural dog treats and a dog hat to try and keep the sun off his head. Food's lovely. We've tried quite a few out. Have a bit of a pick and mix from them all.
Yeah.
And it's nice to just hear the music. You can just sit down, enjoy the sunshine.
It's a fantastic opportunity to see your favourite Gardener's World presenters in real life, and of course see the magazine pages come to life on stage.
We enjoyed the show with Jo Swift just now.
Yes, I think that was the most interesting because you learn things when you go to something like that.
So I really enjoyed the talks by Adam as well. He's got a brilliant sense of humour in it.
We're actually about to do a kitchen garden
we've got the kitchen garden tour as well.
Lots of variety.
It's in an amazing location. Audley End House is just beautiful.
So connected to nature, so it's very nice, and especially for the kids. There's so much to learn about.
It's been really good because we got to come and make bug hotels.
All in all, it's a super day out.